Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app. On the bottom in the menu bar you have to tap on the last option, this profile icon. Then you scroll down to the profile settings, tap on the profile settings, and the first option will be to change the password. You have to add your actual password here and then your new password. Then you have to confirm your new password. And when you are done, you have to save on the top right corner. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.